Now in this question, Bina incurs 19% loss when she sells a product at rupees 4860 to Shyam, who in turn sells this product to Hari. If Bina could have sold this product to Shyam at the purchase price of Hari, she would have obtained a 17% profit. Okay, so let's talk about Bina. Bina selling price is 4860 at a loss of 19%, and the selling price of Bina is nothing but cost price of Shyam, which is 4860. Now selling price of Bina is 4860 at 19% loss, that is this selling price is nothing but 81% of the cost price of Bina. If Bina wants to earn a profit of 17%, then she must have sold the product at 117% of the cost price. The price would be what? Now 81% of the cost price of Bina is 4860 and 117% of cost price of Bina should be what? Simply cross multiply. I get 4860 into 117 divided by 81. Cancelling out, the selling price must have been 7020. Now this is the price at which the Shyam is selling the product to Hari. So selling price of Shyam is equal to 7020. That means profit of Shyam will be selling price minus cost price. A 7020 minus 4860, which is going to be a 2160, and that is the profit made by Shyam.